Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the controls menu. And to open the controls menu, press and hold the light button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through this menu by swiping on the screen. Now find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which looks like this. And once you select it, you will see the Do Not Disturb and the status of the mode. Right now it's turned off, and you can tell by the status here or by the way that the icon looks like. Basically, it's crossed out and it's gray. And if you want to enable the mode, you can press the start button. Once the icon is selected, it will change the status to on, and it will be red now and won't be crossed out anymore, which means that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. So that's how you enable the mode. And if you want to disable it, it's quite simple, basically the same. So you open the controls menu, scroll through the menu, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, then press the start button, and the status will change to off. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change or rather how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.